everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today I've got some very exciting news to share with you all. We are expecting baby number 3. I'm pregnant. We're due in November, so I'm currently 11 weeks pregnant. We had our first ultrasound the other day, only about a day after we got back from Hawaii, and we got to see the little baby for the first time. It is growing, it's very healthy and active. We got some cute little pictures of it. We are very excited to meet this new little baby, and the boys are so excited as well. We actually only just told them yesterday morning because yesterday was Mother's Day, and that's when we wanted to tell all of our family. So we waited to tell the boys until the day that we told our family, just in case they couldn't keep the secret and they accidentally told somebody. And they were so excited. All of our family is excited as well. And I'm feeling pretty good, definitely a lot better than I did a few weeks ago. I'm just a little tired now and nauseous off and on, but I'm feeling great. A few weeks ago, I was pretty sick for about 2 weeks. And then the day before we left for Maui, Hawaii, I started feeling much better. I felt great our whole entire trip in Hawaii, which I was so grateful for because we almost canceled the trip because I didn't want to be sick on our trip in Hawaii, but thankfully I felt great and we were able to have that really fun family vacation together before we added another baby to the family. So that is pretty much all that there is to share about that. So I think the rest of this video is just going to be a vlog of my afternoon. I've got a couple things I need to get done. I need to run to the grocery store, so I thought I would take you guys with me to the grocery store, and we'll bring the groceries home, put them all away, and I'll just kind of take you along on the rest of my day. A lot of you requested more vlog style day in the life videos, so you'll get to have that for the rest of this video. This video might be a little bit shorter. We just got back from our trip a few days ago, and we have just been going non-stop ever since. We went somewhere every single day since we got back. We had our ultrasound, Jalen had flight lessons, we had a birthday party, there was a get-together, volleyball, and then Mother's Day on Sunday we got together with family. So it's been a crazy last couple of days, and now today we're finally home all day and I can unpack, get started on the laundry and all of that. So it's been a pretty busy day today, but I'm going to take you along on my afternoon. Okay, so I'm starting this video a little bit late in the day. It's already 3:19, but I still have a lot left to do today. And the next thing on my list is that I want to clean out this fridge and then go and get some groceries. I haven't had a chance to go to the grocery store since we got back. Like I said, we've just been so busy the last couple days. Now today, I want to go and get some really good food. I want to start eating healthier. I have not been eating very healthy. Back when I wasn't feeling good, I would just eat whatever sounded good, and a lot of that wasn't very healthy food. But now I'm just craving healthy food. I want salads and fruits and vegetables. So I'm gonna go to the store and stock up on all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna pull some of this out of here, wipe down the shelves and stuff, go through everything, and then I'll finish up my grocery list and we can head to town. Okay, so the fridge is clean, it's ready to be filled with food, and right now we've got so many eggs in here because all of our layer hens are laying an egg every single day, so we're getting about 14 eggs a day. But look at this egg that we got today compared to one of these normal eggs. This is definitely a double yolk in here, but we have no shortage of eggs. We do go through quite a few, but if we end up having a lot of extra eggs, we just give some to our neighbor. He's the one who took care of our chickens while we were gone, and our dog, and he loves getting the extra eggs. Just checking my laundry on the line before I leave, and this is all already dry. It's windy today and it's so hot, so this stuff is just drying super fast, which is awesome. My rose bush did bloom a ton, but now the blooms are starting to fall off. I need to do a little bit of trimming. And this pomegranate bush, I need to put some more water on it, but it is just getting covered in bloom. So we should get lots of pomegranates off of this bush this year, and I'm so excited. I'm already dreaming about picking a fresh pomegranate off of here and eating it. They're just so yummy. And the last thing I'll show you out here is my fruit tree. We're pretty sure this is an apricot tree, but we're not 100% sure yet. It's got some little tiny fruit on there. So we're excited to see these grow and see what they are eventually, but we're about 90% sure it's apricot. Okay, so I got home and then we quickly went out and took our announcement pictures out behind the house before we lost the good lighting. And now I'm gonna unload all of the groceries out of the truck and make some supper because we're all starving. I love these Lotus trolley bags. They can fit so much in them and it's so much easier to carry your groceries because, yeah, I fit all of this in just 3 bags instead of a ton of plastic bags. Got all of my fruit and veggies, cold stuff. This blue one is insulated, so I've got all my cold stuff in there, and yeah, they're just awesome. Okay, I'm going to do a quick little grocery haul. Hopefully the washer and dryer isn't too loud in the background. But over here first I've got 2 things of blueberries, 1 thing of raspberries. These were buy 2 get 1 free. So I grabbed some of those. We got these little sweet mandarin oranges, some cucumbers. I want to make fajitas, so I got some bell peppers, some broccoli. I got the broccoli, cucumbers, and the baby carrots over there for veggies and dip, and also for my salads. I got some bananas, some creamer, pineapple mango juice. That sounded really good. Some carb balanced flour tortillas, and then cheese, oven roasted turkey breast, and also some bacon. We're gonna make some wraps with all of that for lunches. Got some yogurts, and I'm going to make granola to go with the yogurts. We can do like some bananas in there as well. I want to have lots of salads for lunches this week, so I got 2 packages of romaine hearts, and then some iceberg, those baby carrots, some chicken so I can cut up. I'm actually gonna do that tonight, cook the chicken and then make a salad, and we can have some Caesar dressing over it. I got some classic Caesar dressing, applesauce, ragu. I've got a bunch of stuff in my pantry right now, including some pasta, so I got that to have with the pasta. Jalen has been making some amazing beef jerky on the Traeger, and he used this last time and it turned out amazing, so I got him some more of that. Whole wheat bread, we needed some baggies, a little thing of Parmesan for the pasta and the sauce. Got some wheat thin crackers for a snack, and then also some of these dried bananas, and then some whole kernel corn. I want to make like some burrito bowls with lettuce, meat, corn, all of that different type of stuff in a bowl for lunches. And yeah, that's everything that I got. I do have lots of food in the freezer, in the pantry. My fridge was just kind of empty. Okay, so I'm going to cook some of this chicken with some olive oil in the pan, and then I'm gonna put on some lemon pepper and mesquite seasoning, just a little bit of this, and it's just so yummy. And these things are amazing whenever you're frying something. You just put that right on top of your pan, and then you don't get as much grease splattering everywhere. Okay, so Jalen's back putting the kids to bed, and these are our finished plates. We've got the lettuce, the chicken, a little bit of cheese, and then some cucumbers, and then we're gonna put this classic Caesar dressing on top. This is the best Caesar dressing. The number one thing that makes me nauseous is when I get really hungry, so I'm really hungry right now, so I am ready to eat this. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope that you enjoyed this little vlog of my afternoon and getting to hear our exciting news. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with Renovation House projects this Saturday. We'll get back into our normal videos and our normal schedule. So stay tuned, be sure that you're subscribed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.